Sort of warm enough in the morning. Sorry. Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Today is a special day and I am doing a packing video to show you what I'm bringing away to Punta Cana. I just want to show different outfits and different ways to wear things, especially an airplane outfit that you can continue on through the week, and jewelry, and I'll get started. So I have here everything out in my suitcase. I am doing a check-in. I bought air tags the other day for us because I don't think I can do a carry-on. A carry-on for a city trip, no problem. But something like this, I just can't do it. As you can see, I'm bringing my tennis racket, tennis balls, tennis shoes, a couple of outfits, and then clothing. My pillow will be in there, and one set of like a flat sheet. I really don't know, unless I steal half my children's part of their suitcase, I don't know how it would work. So hopefully the air tags are gonna help us if they do get lost. At least I'll know right away. And also I had a really good tip from a customer the other day, which I'm going to put in my work backpack carry-on. I'm gonna put 4 pairs of underwear, my favorite bathing suit, and well, I'm gonna have my flip-flops as well. So I feel like if my suitcase was lost by chance, you can wear sundresses all week, no problem. It's nice to have nice underwear, and it's nice to have a good bathing suit. So those are my only things that I would really be, well, of course my tennis racket and all that, but I mean, we'll cross that bridge when we get there, but I could go without. First of all, I'm going to the airport at 5 a.m. So it's gonna be a little bit chilly, so I wanna be dressed appropriately. I will have my winter coat. So I have thrown on a jean jacket. If it's warm enough in the morning, warmish enough, then I would just take my coat off and chance it with my jean jacket so I don't have to have the bulk of my coat the whole trip. Sometimes I do that. I just sacrifice for the style part of it and not carrying around a bulky coat on the buses and the swarming heat there. You know how it is when you get off the airplane, it's like a swarm of humidity, which is so lovely, but you have to be dressed appropriately. I also wanted to show you, we have restocked our cute little backpacks. I love this little backpack. It's very stylish. It'll be great for if we do any tours. The only tour actually that I booked is deep sea fishing with my son Oscar. We're gonna go for 4 hours deep sea fishing, and Ruby is gonna go with her Oma on a city tour of Santo Domingo. I'll probably bring this with some snacks for me and Oscar. I have sort of my phone and my glasses. I am also going to wear masks. We're all gonna wear masks on the plane, passport, because a friend of mine just got back and she had COVID, and I just don't want to get it while we're down there because that would be a big damper on the party. So I have on the jean jacket, which I can take off on the airplane when it gets a little warm. This is a Liverpool jean jacket that we carry here. I've had this for years. I absolutely love it. It's got great stretch. We do have stock on them and they do keep restocking them. So if you don't see your size, let us know and we can always let you know when they restock. So I have on Love's Pure Light. This is the Lousje Bean Love's Pure Light with the black border. Love this one. The reasons why I love it, because it has a lot of beautiful colors in it, and with the black border is just going to go with everything. So you're not going to need, some Love's Pure Lights are in more different tones, purples or blues or reds, but this one kind of has everything. So I feel like this is going to be my go-to all week. I know Lousje always brings a couple. I was going to bring 2, but you know what? I just want to be practical and light. So I'm just going to bring the one. So I'll have it on the airplane. I always use it as a little blanket too, or a little pillow. I love these. They're perfect. And then I have on my pencil skirt, which I'm going to wear through the week as well. And then this little tee. This is a beautiful new tee from Luca, the Luca line that's made in Istanbul. Wonderful fabric. Nice little tee here. I just have it tucked in, but you can wear it open as well. I'm gonna bring a few skirts. This is the perfect tee with those skirts. And then I have on my Lousje Bean leggings, just so that I am warm going there. But once I'm on the airplane, I'm gonna run into the washroom and take off my leggings. I have on my Vans. These are the leather sort of loafers. They're a little more, well, dressy, maybe a little more higher end than the other ones. I love them. They're the leather. I've had these for years. I always travel with them, so they're going to be comfortable on the plane. I don't like wearing running shoes on the plane. I'm very much against that. So these are kind of my running shoes. And then down there, I'll wear them as well if I have to, if we're going on a walking tour or anything outside of the resort where I don't want to wear my flip-flops. Really, I'm just bringing these. I'm bringing my my tennis shoes, which I'm also going to wear in the gym with Ruby. So those will go in there. I have my favorite Reicherts. These are my favorite platform shoes. Those are coming as well. I'll show you those on with a few outfits. And then in my carry-on, I have my Havanas that I love. I wear these all the time. So I love them too in the hotel room because I don't like touching the floors. So I'll always be wearing these, just like I bring my pillow and my sheet because I don't want to touch it all. It's funny because I have my daughter too into that now. Ruby said to me the other day, Mom, I have to get a yucky pillowcase to go over my nice pillowcase to travel there. And then anyways, I feel like I'm tainting her. It's not good. So these will be on my carry-on so that I can switch these out. So here is my, my outfit getting off the plane. You know, I'm nice. It'll be great for that hot weather. So we're at the resort. It is 2:30 in the afternoon, I believe. So I figure me and Lousje are going to go and have a little cocktail, and maybe the kiddos are going to go for a swim. So I have two tennis outfits. What's nice about this fabric from Nike and Lulu, it dries really great. So I just wash these, but I just bring two sets. I always mix match. If I wear a colorful bottom, I wear a black top. And if I wear a black bottom, I wear a colorful top. Is that crazy? I'm just bringing one set of balls. Ruby has lots of room in her luggage, so she is bringing Oscar in her racket. I'm gonna bring my racket because there's not enough room in there. I'm gonna show you the outfits I'm gonna wear. I'm only bringing two sets of jewelry. So this is my favorite. It's the hearts from Joanna Lovett that you know I wear every day. I don't have my moon ring on because I played tennis this morning, so I took it off. These are gonna be my basics, and then I am gonna wear the Ayala bar. I love wearing it when we're south. It's so stunning and it just glisters in the sunshine. So I'm gonna wear this necklace with a few outfits and then these earrings as well. And then I got my little travel case, and it's funny, I Advil for sure, just in case, especially when we have little headaches from the drinks. It'll be Lousje asking me for the Advil. When we're on the resort, we just got in these darling little phone cases. They're so cute. So when you're on the resort, you can just have your phone in there. Look at how beautiful this is. A little zipper for some cash. This is the perfect little piece for on the resort. So I'll wear that with almost everything. I have my bikinis, some polka dots. So those are going. Another couple bikinis and one of my favorite bathing suits with the little guys on the top. He's so cute. I always roll everything so that it stays nicely. This is what I'm bringing to sleep in. I'm bringing my Lousje Bean long tank top to sleep in because it's light, it's comfy. When I'm gonna be in the sun all day, I don't want anything that's gonna feel yucky against my skin. This bamboo feels really good and I'm nice and covered, but it's still gonna be warm, so I wanna be cool. So I'm gonna have that as my little nightie, and then I'm spoiling myself and I'm bringing my Pudis robe. So ladies, I think a bunch of you have these from Christmas. They were great gifts. We do still have some in the store, and we also have the cream color, but I'm just gonna love this in the room because we are sharing a room. I'm sharing a room with the kids, so this will be nice just to have on in the morning or in the evening. For on the beach, a lot of you lovelies have this from last year. This is the cut loose. It's so cute. Nice pop of color for me, which I don't normally wear, but it's just going to be a nice bathing suit cover up or just a nice little dress to wear around. I also have the new, this is our newest Lousje Bean drop, which is the block dress. Oh my goodness. I feel like I subconsciously we just picked them up the other day from Toronto right before my trip. So I feel like I manifested this to come with me on my trip. We did them in a charcoal and in the black, and it's our signature bamboo. It is the cutest little dress. It's got the V here. It's got pockets. It's a nice little A drop. We've reversed the fabric here with the French terry, so it's so cute. It gives it some texture. And we also did that in the neckline here as well. It's the cutest dress. I'm gonna wear this out at night with my sandals, but I'm also gonna wear it on the beach, or if we go for lunch, it's gonna be the perfect dress to wear there. It's gonna be nice and light. We also have a new skirt from Lousje Bean that is in the works right now. This is the sample that I snagged so I can take it away on our trip. It's 100% linen. It's such a stunning print. It's got a nice knit waistband here. And then I have a plain simple tank for that as well. I'll show you that on with my shoes. It's going to be amazing. That's going to be great at night. And then I can throw on my Inga wrap, which is in black over top of the tank top, which will just keep me warm in the evening. It'll be perfect. So again, with your linen pieces, just roll it. It is going to keep it the least amount of wrinkle. And when you get there, just hang it out and hang it up. I have one bliss necklace that I am going to take. I feel like the black and silver just will go with every outfit. So you'll see that as I put on these outfits. You can't go without a caftan from Sorry Not Sorry. Love this. Again, another beach item, but also in the evening for dinner. You can belt it as well. Again, just roll it up and it'll have the least amount of creases. Another one of my favorite outfits that we have in the boutique right now. I wore this on our Friday favorites. I absolutely love it, and you can see why. It goes great with these shoes too. These shoes are honestly the best shoes, and I don't know if they have them anymore. I've tried to look. We bought them at the boot shop. So we have our Lousje and Bean Bowie dress, which we are so excited about. Perfect dress to wear over there. It is so nice and light. It's a nice light knit, and it's got pockets as well. So cute, nice for the evening as well when you've had a lot of sun and you just want a nice little cover. And another amazing outfit I'm going to bring is the Griza skirt. I love this skirt. It is silk and cotton. It's to die for. It's so cute on. It's going to scream being south and in the sunshine. And then this adorable little Luca top in the black I have it, and I'm in the white as well because it's just going to be such a staple. It's going to go with all these little skirts. I can intermingle and intermatch any of these tops with these skirts. That's the beauty of it. You can make it look like a different outfit. I did want to show you the Zacket and Plover also comes in this colorway, which is absolutely stunning for going south. So if these are your colors, it's such a stunning set, but I'm going to stick with the black. And then I have this shirt as well. This shirt can go with the Griza skirt. It's going to go with my pencil skirt. I'm just going to tuck it in. It's going to be great. And then again, the Lousje and Bean scarf going with any of these outfits will be amazing. So there you go, ladies. There is my packing video of what I'm going to have in Punta Cana next week. I cannot wait. It's going to be so much fun. Look out when we get back for some out and abouts. We'll definitely pepper in photos of our trip. We cannot wait. It's going to be so much fun. I hope you've enjoyed it and you could just have a little peek into how I'm going to pack. I feel like it's all going to fit beautifully. Just need my pillow and sheets, and I think we're good to go. Some sunscreen, and that's it. Thank you so much, ladies. I hope you have an amazing day, and we'll see you next time.